Welcome. Sumedha is a non-profit organization dedicated to preserving the rich and varied culture of Parashurama Kshetra and helping people in need. Visit sumedhaonline.org for more information.
In this video, we will show you how to design the back and the sides of the Peetha. So here's the Peetha that we're going to design. These are the two backs that we had, and we'll show how to draw this on a piece of paper first, and then we can transfer that to the piece of wood that we use. So first draw the outline, and then you have individual pieces that are shaped. So draw circles for that, and you can change it to what you need later on using different shapes, like this one shown here, which is kind of a broad leaf, and this one, which is a narrow leaf. You can use combinations of different shapes to create something unique. So here we've placed the broad and narrow leaf at the end, created a shape, and then we draw the outline. So this is how the outline looks. And once we have this outline for half of the shape, we just fold it over and we cut so that we get the whole shape. So here's the circle, and the previous one was a leaf. We'll convert the circle to the other kind of leaf that we have. We picked our shape and we drew it on the circles like this, and then we cut it. And before you cut it, make sure that you fold the paper, because the design is symmetric, so you can get both sides to be the same if you fold it. Once you fold it, you cut it, and you can open it to get the shape. Next, we'll draw the sides. Each side is the same, so we have to just draw it once. So we show our steps, which is straight lines, and then we draw the curve as we want. And in this case, we have a post also. So here's everything that's marked up for you to see. And there's also a join line, because we don't have a piece of wood that is that wide. So we are going to use two pieces of wood to create that shape. Next, we'll transfer the design to our pieces of wood. And as you may have noticed, we don't have wood that is that wide. So we put two pieces side by side to get the width that we want. And then we start marking. So we have to hold the paper in place so it doesn't move. And I use a little bit of tape to hold it in place. And then I use the pencil to mark the edges, so we know that we're going to cut on that edge. When marking on wood, you can use a regular eraser if you make a mistake, and the paper will lift up or the pencil will go under it. So it's good to use an eraser to adjust any mistakes, so you have a clean edge for cutting. Trace the side edges also in the same way. You'll need two of those.